What is my account used for? Once you sign up for your laundry service, you will have an account. You'll be able to use that account at laundry.freshclothes.app to manage your billing information, to access historical invoices. You'll have an opportunity to see what your pickup day is and get reminded. Once this is available in the App Store, we can send push notifications in addition to the SMS texts that we send to remind you of your laundry day. But it's basically your Fresh Clothes mobile laundry account is basically a central place for you to manage the service, receive notifications, and make sure that you're staying on schedule, making it part of your routine.